Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can download Facebook ad library video for free. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Facebook ads library. After that, open the official website and you will be redirected to this web page. Now, sign into your account and you can see there are a bunch of features that you can use. First, select the region or country in which your ad creator is based. After that, select the type of ads you want to search for. In my case, I will select all ads and then proceed to the search bar. In the search bar, type in the creator's account and give it a go. Here, select the ad video you would like to download. For me, I am going to download this video. But in order to do that, right-click anywhere on this web page, select Inspect, and then look for the link starting with SRC. Once you have found it, double-click on it and then copy it. After that, open a new tab, paste the link and give it a go. You can see that the ad video has now appeared on my screen. Simply click on the three dots and download the video. That's how you can download Facebook ad library video for free. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.